In terms of our driving license testing centers, in the last 6 months, we've been able to implement 3 facilities. The first facility was a pilot site where we wanted to understand the business of driver's license or the service of renewal of driving licenses, and so that we can be comfortable enough to implement at our Gautrain stations. So we implemented the pilot, which we ran successfully from January up until the end of June. And during the month of June, we launched the DLTC or licensing center at Midrand Gautrain station on the 16th of June. And in July, we then implemented another testing facility or DLTC at the Centurion station. So in terms of technologies, we are using the standard technologies that are used nationally for the processing of driving license renewals. That is the eNative system. That is a system that is provided by the RTMC. What we've added on there to make our facilities unique is that we've added an advanced reporting tool. We've added a customer survey or customer experience survey tool to make sure that we understand how customers feel or the customer sentiments about our service and how we can improve our service. In addition to that, we've made sure that our facilities are sustainable facilities, built from sustainable material, and our facilities are completely off the grid. We've actually been given approval to implement 4 in total, and the pilot site is going to remain a pilot site for additional services that we want to roll out in our centers, which means that we have 2 more to implement. We have not finalized the locations yet. We're still observing how the business runs for the next 6 months, and we'll make a decision from there as to where we can place the last 2 DLTCs. We combine some processes in traditional DLTCs are done separately. So we've made sure that we do the necessary integration from the technology point of view to enable that single point of contact and to enhance the customer experience. We are just as an example of another project that we are doing. We are assisting the Gauteng Department of Roads and Transport in implementing a single ticket system in the province. So that's a project that is currently being run by the Gautrain Management Agency, and we are making good progress in that initiative.
Great initiative between Gautrain and driving license centers. And if I can say, if one think about the solution that BCX can bring in to help these 2 entities, we can offer a unified collaboration solution. It's a hosted solution that will ensure a seamless transfer of information between the 2 centers. To have all the information that will give you a full visibility of what is happening in the road traffic department before you even get there.
We as the Midrand Gautrain DLTC, we offer services such as the renewal of driver's licenses, temporary driver's licenses, and also the payment of traffic fines.